I have a smoosher. Yes, look at this. This is this. Put it here. Wow, nice. Fun. I want to put the what is in here. So I will put it here to smoshers. Oh, go down to earth. I have many species. This is not me. But I have a I have a big dumpling. But I have a little dumpling. I speak Tagalog. Pang Tagalog nanonood dito. Sana maintindihan nyo kahit English. Glitter dumpling, hindi siya nawala. Hindi siya naputo. Kasi yung dalawa kong dumpling naputo. So, yung isang dumpling nawala. Kaya, ayun. Napaka-special ng smoosher na